Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another video on the channel, everybody. If you're new to the Investing for Kids community, welcome. I'm so glad that you found your way here, and if you're returning, thanks again. Now, today is a very exciting video because, yes, that's right, more unboxings. Just had a bit of a delivery of one of which I was expecting today, one of which was just sent with regular mail, so I had no idea when it was coming. And that's right, it came today. And since I've been waiting such a long time, let's get into the unboxing of that one in this video and save the rest for another. Here we have a bucket load of old coins. So very lucky and happy to be getting into this one here. Lots of stamps actually, so very excited to get this open. So never very easy to get the padded bags open, but that's right, lots of old coins. I think you'll see more of what I mean when we get this open. But we also have some other things in here that I think a lot of you will know what I'm talking about when I open them up. But some of these are just so exciting to be opening up. So very well packaged as per usual with everything coming from the Silver Stackers forum. But get in very carefully because as per usual, we don't want to ruin anything. And the first thing we'll have a look at is very well secured. No, the first thing that we'll take a look at is actually something that I think a lot of you will remember, and that is a while ago, it would have been probably not a while ago, last week maybe, we talked about those little mini gold-plated replicas, and we talked about the future of gold. If you haven't seen it already, check it out. But we were expecting some mini collectible Krugerrand gold-plated pieces, and well, sadly, we got flying eagles, but the seller was very, very kind, and they offered to send the Krugerrands through. So we have the 3 extra tiny little Krugerrands. So they're in this little bag here. No point trying to give you a better look here. I'll just flip the camera around later to show you because, yep, I'm very happy I chose the Krugerrands. But here, so many old coins. Woof. Let's get into this. I don't know how I'm going to open this though. It's very well secured. As you can see, we've got like a lot of coins. So here today on the scene at the Investing for Kids studio, we are having a look. What was that? We're having a look at some old coinage from both Australia and from the United States of America. So we have some very generic pieces here, really. I mean, I bought them just because, firstly, they're awesome. Secondly, it's a fair bit of copper that you can add in a cheap way. And also, you know, they haven't been searched yet, so they may have some value. So in here, we have a bag of 50 US 1 cent, 1 pennies, 1 cent. So some of them not in great condition, some of them in actual or alright condition. And hopefully a few in really good condition, but lots and lots and lots of them here. So I won't search through them in this video, but you can see that there's a lot of them in some decent conditions too. So very happy with all of that there. Got a bit of a stash of those now. I'm a big fan of all the world coins, but these are the ones that I'm truly the most excited about. And if I can open this carefully, then we can take a look at them. So here today, we have some coins that I am very, very happy to be getting my hands on. Well, I mean, I'll have my hands on them soon. Goodness. Sometimes things are packed so well, but in a kind of awkward way to get. But again, no problem. No problem. We know that we're a big fan of the good packaging. We'll just take our time, have a chat, you know. Here we go. Nearly there. Here we go, everybody. Sticky tape gone, and here we have some Australian 2-cent coins. That's right, 2-cent coins. How exciting is that? These coins are no longer used in Australia. For those of you who aren't down under over here, these are no longer in circulation, and we have another big bag of $1.50. So a fair bit of copper. I think it's over 300 grams worth of stuff here. But these are so cool. I just love the design with the frilled neck lizard on these. And I'm just so happy I could get my hands on some of them. It feels remarkable because I am a big fan of the pennies. So I do have a couple of pennies myself, but wow. Those are really exciting to have. And these actually went up to date, 1978 I saw on there. So they're fairly recent, but they're no longer in circulation. But piles upon piles of copper here. Let's get a closer look now and we can finish up the video, but I want to show you guys these Krugerrands. Well, here we have them, and this is not only. We have piles upon piles of these things. Oh, there's a stray one over there. But look how many of these things we have. We've got this ginormous pile of these 2-cent coins. I'll get everything up close, but we will start with the beauties, the main bit that I'm excited about, even though this video will be titled A Boatload of Old Coins or something along the sorts. Here we have one of those tiny little Krugerrands. So these are the gold-plated Krugerrands. Whoa, those are awesome. I am a big fan, and hopefully if the camera focuses you can get a better look. But these are tiny little replicas, and if you had seen the last one you'll know that these are similar size. So 1978, I think they're all 1978 replicas, but great pieces there. And quickly with the 2-cent here, big favourite of mine, if we can get some better lighting. You know, not in excellent condition, they're definitely very well circulated, but you know, I'm a big fan of them. I thought it'd be really cool, and I did get these pretty close to face value, just a little bit over. So it would have been $5 that I paid for all of these, and it's about it's a dollar's worth of 2-cent coins, and it is 50 US cents. So obviously paid a bit more, but honestly, it wasn't out of precious metals allocation or anything. Just thought it'd be really cool to pick up, and I'm happy I did. Got my own little stack of all these copper bits here. That'll be really exciting. I feel like this one's in really good condition, but I'm going to have a lot of fun searching through these, having a look at them. Pull out an old coin, I can't even say old coin book. I'll pull out an old coin book perhaps and have a look at, see if I've snagged anything rare or anything of the sorts. But I think that is pretty much it for this video. Very excited to get on to filming the next one, which I'll film immediately after this, but I'll be very excited to show you all in the next video or the video after. Who knows, this video might even come out before that one, but lots of exciting stuff still to come on the channel. As is always, we've got stuff pouring in every single week, at least several uploads each week. Doing my best here, and I'm enjoying it a lot. So thank you all very much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for some more incredible content, or at least I like to say so myself. I love what I'm doing here. I love helping people, and I hope that you love what you're watching too. So a big thanks to every single person watching. It means so much to me. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video. That's all for now, everybody, and until next time, goodbye.